in a while, so I wanted to try something new. I've noticed that a lot of kids younger and older than me, and even adults, struggle with math. And I am not saying that I'm a master, because I'm not even close. But I have a lot of resources and people that can help me, and some people don't. So I'm going to help as much as I can, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get on with the video. So we're going to start at the basics with single digit addition. The first method is going to be the algorithm, which is the one my parents know and most adults learned. To do the algorithm, you simply have to stack the numbers on top of each other like this. Then you put a line under it, and since we are finding the sum of 4 and 3, we will add the addition sign. Now you can either count on your fingers or in your head, so it would be 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer to this equation is 7. So for another example, we have 3 plus 5. So that would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer to this one is 8. You know what time it is? A brain break! You do the brain break dance with the brain break song. Check my Instagram, brain break along. Yeah! The next strategy is the number line. The number line works pretty good for small numbers, but it's not that good for big numbers, which I'll explain in the next video. So to do the number line, we first have a line full of numbers. And for the first question, we have 2 plus 4. We're starting with the first number, which is 2, and we're going to hop 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer would be 6. And for another example, we have 2 plus 5. So we're once again going to start with the number 2, and but this time we're going to jump 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer would be 7. So those were the single digit addition strategies. Remember, those are not all of them, they're just the most used ones for single digits. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to reply to you guys. Check out my Instagram, like and subscribe, and aloha!